Hello and welcome back to Victory of the People YouTube channel. My name is Nico. I'll be your host. Our mission is to fanatically empower families to shift their mindsets and overcome limited generational belief systems. So today we're going to talk a little bit about Sam.gov. We are continuing on this journey of starting a new business, from the vision all the way to making your first point of sale. And so Sam.gov is the system for award management. And so essentially what that is a website, which is an official government website that is used to bid on contracts set forth by the government. So it could be on a local municipality level as well as on a federal level. And so anything the government needs, they don't do themselves. So if they need toilet paper, if they need any type of buildings built, they will contract this out to businesses, to small businesses, right? And you have the opportunity to bid on these contracts through the system for award management. So I hope that makes sense. So this is, like I said, an official government website, and it is totally free to use. So I think there are a few companies out there who will try to register you for Sam.gov. However, you can totally do it on your own. It is, it's not that hard to navigate, right? So, like I said, it's to register to do business with the government on both a local and federal level. So just like Duns and Bradstreet, Sam.gov also will give you a unique identity, a unique number, specifically tailored towards your business. And so whenever you go on their website and register, you will be able to get that unique identity, right? And be able to bid for contracts. So they also have what they call special set-asides. So any socially or economically disadvantaged individuals or disadvantaged businesses, I would say, they have special set-asides specifically tailored for you and your business. So for instance, women-owned small businesses, service disabled veteran-owned small businesses, and minority-owned small businesses. And what this essentially means is you will be specific. They have specifically set aside these contracts for you, and you have precedence over these contracts, right? Because of the socially, economically disadvantage that you have within your business. So like I said, minority, small owned business, you can actually have that title in your business. Service connected disabled veteran owned small businesses. And I think you just obtain that by at least one of your members being, I think it's about 50% ownership. And I'm sure you have to have your DD-214 and other things like that. So this is a short video, but it is important to know about Sam.gov. There are many businesses across the country who only do government contracts and nothing else. So you can definitely have consistent business by just only doing government contracts. So again, Sam.gov, and their website is S as in Sam, A as in Apple, M as in Mary.gov. And so that's it for today. If you are enjoying this content, please like, share, and subscribe. Again, my name is Nico. This is Victory of the People YouTube channel, and you will have the victory over your life. See you again soon.